Take a listen to what you're asking. Promises come and go, just like fashion. Sincerely, I hope you get the message from this. I hope if I had a buck for all your fears, I'd be set for 15 to 20 more years. How could I not see right through all you do? It just goes to show that I'll never know what I never knew. Your words are getting tired. You're nothing but a liar, liar, liar. Prepare to burn in the fire. You're nothing but a liar. Don't break more than you can make. You're not special, you're writing checks that you can't cash. As you wrestle with the guilt of all the false things that got you to where you are today. Your words are getting tired. You're nothing but a liar, liar, liar. Prepare to burn in the fire. You're nothing but a liar. Oh, yeah. Whoa, yeah. You say the right thing now, it's like you never left. Say the wrong thing and it gets you more respect. Twisted light, scared to fight. You're lying down like an ex-champion might, staring up from the floor at the boarded up door that leads to what is right. Take a listen to what you're asking. All promises come and go, but just like fashion, sincerely